Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get volume profile on TradingView. First, understand that volume profile is a powerful tool showing trading activity at different price levels. It helps you pinpoint key support and resistance areas on your charts. TradingView offers several built-in volume profile indicators, making it easy to integrate into your analysis workflow. To add a volume profile indicator, simply navigate to the top of your TradingView chart and click on the Indicators button. A search window will pop up. In this search bar, type Volume Profile. You'll see a list of available tools. Select the one that best suits your trading strategy, such as Fixed Range Volume Profile or Visible Range Volume Profile. Once added, you can customize your volume profile by clicking on its settings icon. Here, you can adjust parameters like row size, volume area, and value area percentage to fine-tune its display. You can also change colors and visibility to integrate it seamlessly with your chart's aesthetic. Don't forget to save your preferred setup as a template for quick access later. Using volume profile, you can identify high volume nodes, or HVN, which represent strong areas of support or resistance where significant trading occurred. Conversely, low volume nodes, or LVN, indicate areas of weaker support or resistance. These insights can greatly enhance your trading decisions. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you stay organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.